So if it comes out, Dad, don't try to claim that ticket.
Why is it gonna be
serious.
and not the freaking?
Sometimes Brianna smells like nanny goat. Sometimes she smells like fish.
I'm just so done right now. Why is it gonna be?
And I wrote my numbers down so I know which one.
Just why?
But when she smells like nanny goat, no one wants to.
Those
We
are
tell her she
great.
ain't that.
Wish us luck. I prayed on them tickets.
Praise him, praise him, praise him, praise him. I got the winning ticket right here.
I hope so. It's like Charlie the Chocolate Factory.
Mm-hmm.
I hope so. Yeah.
Mom, Tommy, you see? That's why they want to ask for him.
What?
She's rude.
What'd she say?
Yo, Blood is my best friend. That's my nigga.
Just to scratch your scalp?
Yes, you see? Where's Brian? I have to go.
Ask me, I mean, Shanti do it. Where are you going? Where's Brian? No, I said, where's Brian? Where's Brian going? No, where's Brian going?
Who's cashing my check on Thursday? Well, you doing it? Ma, you doing it?
What?
Don't you have a card now? Don't you have a card?
Yeah.
Now? It's from the bank?
No, it's for my job card.
Ma, who's gonna cash my check this week? Patty? He said no.
Oh, Lord, y'all.
Ma, who's gonna cash my check this week?
Listen, let's not worry about that right now. It always gets cashed every single week, so I'm pretty sure it will. I'm not worried about it.
Do you ever hear people saying stuff over there? Do you ever hear people drinking over? I don't think we'll take her alcohol. Bye, Mom.
That's why you on that thing.
Mom,
Get off the thing before you break it.
Get off my laundry basket, pulley now.
Mom, you really should have said.
What?
You called me an alcoholic.
No, I didn't.
Listen, are you on my thing?
No, I didn't, Mom.
Yes, you
She
did.
said,
Quiet up your mouth now and get ready to go out my
But
room
no,
if you
what
can't
happened?
respect.
She said, do you ever hear people saying stuff
You
over
said
and
it
over
the wrong
again?
time.
And I said, do you ever hear people drinking over and over again?
Like an alcoholic.
Okay, so that's the end of that. I'm watching my TV. If you guys don't want to follow the rules, y'all can go ahead out.
Ma, I just said, did you hear what that guy said to me today? And I said,
No, I did not.
I'm just going to go upstairs with my food done because you're just so rude. I don't even know why you come out here to be disrespectful.
Alright.
Ma, if you wash these socks, they're mine, okay?
Those are mine.
I'm gonna go. Ma, if you wash these socks, they're mine, okay? Because I
Okay.
have a whole pack of them, they're mine. Don't give them to anyone.
Alright.
Rick, you're not supposed to hold your dad. If you put a bug in my cup. Hey, Miss B.
Is this not AMC? What's coming on after this?
All scary movies on, man.
Yeah, but what, Scream today? I don't really... What else? What Scream is this anyway? I was watching Scream yesterday.
Brittany, why'd you tag me into that?
Guys, I am tired. I just got off work not too long ago. 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Huh?
Charlotte, take me to the uniform.
What? Well, you didn't tell her that.
I did tell her that.
Have Shanti take her.
No!
Why can't you just take her right quick? Just want to go to Savers.
I just gave you something to drink. You don't get all.
Brian's not even ready yet. What time is it now?